Hey guys, Ben Maddox here at Johnson RV. We are enjoying some lovely weather. Can't wait for you to join us wherever you're from. Thanks for watching our videos today. We've got a treat for you. This just landed. It's a not brand new. It's a 2021, but it looks brand new. 2021 U24RL. For those of you who know leisure travel, they are a very high quality manufacturer out of Winkler, Manitoba. They have been building the Unity since 2009. We have been a dealer with them ever since then. It's been one of our best selling products, if not our best selling. And there is quite a lead time to get new ones. So if you want something that's late model that looks like new at a great price, this is a good one for you. This is the RL rear lounge or rear living. And it is the newest of the floor plans, aside from the Murphy bed lounge, of course. So people love this layout. Just I want to point out some key features outside. Beautiful silver full body paint, integrated fiberglass steps. Follow me, Nolan. You got these really nice fiberglass molded doors. Some nice big storage underneath the back here. So let's step out inside. You've got Corian for your countertops, big flush mount sink cover, stainless steel sink. TV is right here in your living room. What people like about the RL or other models that don't have the slide is that separation between your living room and your bedroom. So you got this nice seating area, which also converts into a sleeping area as well if you need a third place for people to sleep. It is on the newest chassis with all your new driver assistance features. It's got solar on board. You got the dual opening from each side, fridge and freezer, lots of pantry space, and then you got the split bathroom, so porcelain electric toilet, macerating toilet, and then you got your shower. Check this out. Come on through, Nolan. Open this up for you. Nice big shower. So what's nice about having the split bathroom is one person can be taking a shower, the other person can be taking care of other business, if you know what I mean. Murphy bed in the back wall. So you take these cushions out, just lays down. That way it's all made up. It's a queen size bed, power recliner here, nice big bay windows. There's so many great features about the U24RL. We can't wait for you guys to come out and see it. I'm Ben here at Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon. I've got Nolan behind the camera. If I'm not available, please ask for him. We look forward to seeing you soon and help you go camping.